Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, Hoi An Chicken Rice. A dish typical of Hoi An ancient town. How to make ingredients: 1 chicken, about 1.5 kilograms, 3 cups of rice, 1 large onion, thinly sliced 1 bunch of Vietnamese coriander, 1/2 bunch of mint leaves, 1 small green papaya or a few slices of carrot and cucumber, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, minced turmeric powder, to color the rice. Fish sauce, sugar, salt, black pepper and chili, chicken fat or cooking oil, lemon, fried onions and fresh herbs for decoration steps. Prepare chicken and broth. Clean the chicken and boil it in a pot of water with salt and a piece of crushed ginger. Boil until the chicken is tender, about 25 to 30 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it and let it cool. Save the chicken broth to cook the rice. Tear the chicken meat by hand. This method will give the chicken a better texture than cutting it with a knife. Cook the rice, rinse the rice and drain. In a separate pot, add a little chicken fat or cooking oil and minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Add a little turmeric powder to give the rice a nice golden color. Add the drained rice and stir well for 1 to 2 minutes until each grain of rice is evenly coated. Measure the reserved chicken broth, the same amount of water as cooking normal rice, and add it to the pot. Cook the rice until soft and fragrant. Make the chicken salad. In a large bowl, combine the shredded chicken, thinly sliced onions and Vietnamese coriander. Make the sauce by mixing fish sauce, sugar, a little lemon juice and chopped chili, to taste. Drizzle the sauce over the chicken and herbs mixture. Mix everything well to let the ingredients absorb the flavor. Presentation and enjoyment. Scoop the golden rice onto a plate. Scoop the chicken salad over the rice. Serve with a small bowl of clear chicken broth as soup. Garnish with fresh mint leaves, sliced cucumber, fried onions, and a slice of lemon. Things to note: chicken selection. Using local chicken will give the meat and broth a more delicious flavor. Herb flavor. Vietnamese coriander is the most important herb in this dish. Its distinctive spicy flavor is what sets Hoi An chicken rice apart from other chicken rice dishes. Do not substitute with other herbs. Sauce is the soul. The balance of salty, sweet, sour and spicy flavors in the sauce is what makes this dish so appealing. Adjust the amount of fish sauce, sugar, lemon and chili to suit your taste. Hoi An chicken rice, a signature dish of Hoi An ancient town, Vietnam, is a culinary masterpiece known for its rich flavors and appealing textures. Unlike Hainanese chicken rice, this dish uses shredded chicken, mixed with fresh herbs, onions, and a special sauce, creating a dish that tastes like chicken salad. The golden rice grains, cooked in a rich chicken broth, are the perfect base for this delicious chicken mixture, making each bite an interesting combination of salty, sweet, and sour spicy flavors. This is a dish that represents the quintessence of Central Vietnamese cuisine. Thank you for watching. To not miss the next delicious videos about delicious dishes, please click the subscribe button and follow the Hatan Vien 2 YouTube channel. See you again.